Hi there guys, welcome to Vapourcore's YouTube channel. I'm the LDN Vapor and today we're taking a look at a brand new pod system on the market, and this is the Aspire AVP Pod Kit. Just a quick note, it is set at the 8 watt setting at the minute because it does have wattage setting. So let me just take a quick vape and show you how it performs before we get down into the review. Lovely flavor from this device straight off the bat. Guys, let's start off with the top part of the device. So that would be the pod itself. The pod, guys, are 2 ml in capacity. Of course, that is because we are in the EU. Now, the pod itself is a refillable pod from the bottom section just inside here. So today the e-liquid we are using is Juice & Powered's Tropical Rainbow Salt. So guys, what you do is you'd grab your nib and push it in the press fill port in there. Simply push your nib down and then fill up the pod. Of course guys, just remember, when you do fill your pod, you do want to let it sit for a good 5 minutes before you even start to vape on it, giving the coil time to wick. It uses 1.2 ohm nichrome AVP coils. Unfortunately guys, they are not interchangeable, so after 2 to 4 weeks when the coil does burn out, you will have to buy a new pod. Thankfully, they've added an extra one in the kit, so you do get a spare one. Let me pop the pod back in, just like so, as it's got magnetic clips. It's a 700 milliamp built-in battery with a micro USB port at the bottom of the device. Of course, it does have the auto draw system, so you do not have to press this button underneath the Aspire logo. This button, guys, is to turn the device on. So how do we do that? As the device is on now, I'm just going to turn it off. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quick clicks, and as you can see there, it flashes white, showing you that the device is off. Guys, wattage mode starts from 8 watts, which is a red light. Then it goes to 10 watts, showing a blue light, and then a red light indicating 12 watts. So how do we enter this setting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quick clicks to turn the device on. 2 quick clicks to get into the wattage mode. So 1, 2, just like so, and that's showing green. So that's full power at the 12 watts. 1, 2 again, and there we go. Blue, indicating the 10 watts. And then one more time just to show you the red. There we go, flashing red twice, indicating it's at 8 watts. So now I'll be able to take an auto drag because the device is on and it should vape at the 8 watts. Perfect. So as you can see guys, the device is working perfectly. Coming down to the device, I just want to talk about the things I like and I dislike about it. So first of all, I absolutely love the size of it. Starting off with the looks as well, I mean, it's a really cool pod system. It's great with the carbon fiber front and backs. I absolutely love that design. Also, the body itself, it doesn't state what type of metal it is in the instruction manual, but as I can feel, it's like an aluminium. It's very sturdy. Coming up to the pod, honestly guys, since we've been vaping on this, we've had no problems, no leaking. And these coils, I don't know the exact design inside of the coil itself, but what I can say, it's produced tons of flavor, vape upon vape. So guys, this is a device we're really proud of, and we're really glad to stock it in all of our shops. That is it from us at Vapourcore, and me, the LDN Vapor. Again, if you thought this video was beneficial, please like, share it, and of course, if you want to see all the latest from us, subscribe to the channel now.